Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Brigadier Gininda and his entourage babuze uFadil Adams and the rest of the people plus Sergeant Faninkosi and all these rogue subs employees ukuthi uphelelaphi ma kanje, you know, just nje look at uZondo phela sezobuye sibone indaba kaNtanzi later. I'm just like, how do you even do such things to people? Mokgano Mabena lapha Mokgano was even asking uShoes ukuthi akamnikeze u5,000 rands, guys. They always trying to get bribes. Since what as these people won't get these rogue subs employees bazoyikhotha imbenke yomile. I'm telling you. And it's crazy how Ntanzi kept on saying, Ozosubaloyi wena stop it. Stop threatening us. Wathi kodwa bonke wena baloyi nje ubuhleka nalo mngane akho lo uSibanda. Nisazobona kahle ukuthi umhlaba unjani. Nisazombona mina owami uNkulunkulu. Uzondo abantu azophelana nawo umsebenzi. Nabo uNtanzi lapha they couldn't now continue to be breadwinners emakubo because hayi uBrigadier Gininda ngithi they rule the world. Advocate George Baloyi was in it from the beginning. He was a DPP with Yanalo, this rogue Brigadier Ugininda. Who's Ugininda? Ushoes uZondo. I'm just like, you know what? He's been in it. Baloyi, ebizibuzana nompedo. Baloyi, I used to call him Sneaky Baloyi. But he's still sneaky. He hasn't changed. He will never change. He was sneaky just yesterday about Sbia's situation and the treatment there at the prison, the hot water in that side, and in something for against. Take it up. Do whatever you need to do. I don't care. Among and back, you know, the correctional services people. Anyone who's Brigadier Gininda's entourage and friend was good to those people are like big buddies. Why is the mistake? Urata is also their friend. A friend of a friend. You know those things, né? Yeah. Among and guys. I'm just like, how do you not even tell the judge, guys, we need to stop now? Right. Things are closing in here. South Africa is you don't even see that. So Zondolo, umngani kaNtanzi, is explaining that whole thing. You no Baloyi has been in it. I'm sure you know that, but nama wangibuza imbuzo Baloyi. Embuza nje uTotwato. At the time I was arrested. Then he showed me a statement. I'm sure it's a statement. I need to know who's the writer of all the statements. Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Gininda. Umbali. What this whole movie, you know, right? Yeah. With the help of Baloyi and Constable Sizwe Zungu. Yeah, those people are big buddies. No mistake. If you understand the crew, then you'll know it's okay. Come back, your kid. Who repeats the same story. Ngapa ubuzwa enye into futhi engasile yokuya Ntanzi, and then it's just like Ntanzi can't even drive. How can he be transporting IBAM? Like, how does that work? Uguti was selling guns, he was a gunman, literally. Ntanzi was story. It went around, it came back again now. It's costly, sort of, you know. We derailed a bit. We back there again, guys. I'm like, what time? Where? Like, guys, these people have made up a story, and I'm just like, can you stop with all Adams and other people? Can you just arrest these people that are lying in the sense of your kids? When are we gonna come back and arrest them? I'm just like, no, people are bullshit, guys. People have just been doing as they please in this case. They just like, Uba. I mean, I will never be caught. I will never be arrested. Guys, manje kuboshwa kwasan. Phoyisa or not, you will be arrested for your rogue situations. So bonke ke bambuzile umbuzile umshololo. It was actually first with advocates isithulele enqumalo yamazwela ithulela you won't go further. He just wants to know ukuthi yini mhlawumbe kungena phona elifini ubuza ushoes. Ungena mhlawumbe elifini kamapizza umvakashela ethi hayibo, I didn't even know that person was arrested where. How can I visit lo muntu ongimazi ngihlangene kubona lonto? Just as much as I do know him as a person, but I didn't really visit him in prison. I didn't even know where he was arrested, where he was, you know. In 5 minutes it was done. With him, just a car thing came. Untanzi can't even drive. So uzobehambisa ziphi ishushumbiso and anything explosive or ibhama or whatever, you know. And then bese kuzoba advocates isandile mshololo, she's back again. Urata actually even stopped asking about Mshololo completely. She's back. She's just like, so I explained the whole thing. You know, I was arrested for a day, but I was in a car on Friday from 6 o'clock the whole night. At 2, I was arrested, and I was arrested for 1 night. And then on Sunday, they took me back to Marikanaki. I'm just like, guys, these people, how do they do it? Messing up. Do you know my line? Messing up with so many families. You continue, Joanne. You've just messed up people's livelihood, literally. Like, because these people, guys, we're breadwinners. What's my ebuya? Uzondo, he had no job. Bamtshela emsebenzini ukuthi no, we actually just about to move now. We're not moving with you. The company is actually changing now. Asikwazi move now ngoba wendo criminal record. Guys, how unfair. Oh, baby Ronnie, Dr. Sibanda is back. Konomunye was like my comments and I was saying hello Oros. So you understand that my comments, guys, there's a lot going on. Yeah. So and at some stage I wanna do comments actually maybe on Saturday and a bit of Sunday on our live. I wanna do some comments. I'm just like about comments over the you just like about us go Oros like but then again you know Dr. Sibanda, you'll never lie like this guy. And also, I don't forget, this is just one thing about me. The last time we heard Dr. Sibanda asking questions and trying to lead some evidence for Obaloi, yes, how Sibanda was like lashing out and lying. You're just like, guys. You'll see Sibanda's the videos there. There's like 3 or 4 videos. Like there's even a live around Sibanda. That's when I actually did some lives in, I think in Jan when I started. Sibanda lapho where I'm talking about how he lies. Ngithi mina kodwa nkosami baby Sibanda, why is he lying in life? Why? Umuntu onjani? Ngazi ngathi mina, what is he learning from Balulu? What are our children who want to do law learning from this? There's nothing to learn here. Like how Usfiso May was also saying about 2 weeks ago. How? Ufunda in lab. Why were those people that a unit came to learn who Advocate George Baloyi was introducing them? I was just like, okay, I'm a very nice school in. I need a good Bagley case because all you are learning is lies. There's nothing to learn in the sense of Mehiwa case, guys. It's wrong in so many ways to bring my students there, you know. And you know, Sibanda has got some chip, or should I say some chips on his shoulders. This guy, the entitlement, yeah. Oh my gosh. He was going on like, I hope you know, Gucci, and you've been under oath already. You know how it is. This is how he speaks. I'm just like, there's no need for this, guys. There's really, really no need. Atigu Zondo Usemanda also, I just wanted to remind you, and making a false accusations under oath is a criminal offense. I'm like you would know that when Unamangaj. Usibanda will try everything in life, you know, to place Ntanzi in phosphorus. Sometimes I'm begging in the middle of phosphorus for some reason. So that uyayazi phosphorus. And they've been trying that, especially this year. You know, Nobaloy. Ukuthi uNtanzi uyayazi phosphorus has been. As uNtanzi angazanda phosphorus. Yebo mhlamba might have been ngengoma ongadlula ngakhona, but angiyazi like that, you know, for ukuthi ngake ngafika kakhele kumala ngaze ngafuthi analyzed senzo meyo. No. Ayazi amashemu sebantu uzama manje ngozondo ushuzi to place uNtanzi in phosphorus. You know, Dr. Sibanda always thinks he knows better than all advocates. You know how he goes on. And then Umnis called him to order very quickly. Stop trying to confuse this guy. Mr. Zondo Ushus. Please stop with those things. They don't work. You're asking the same thing and you're trying to think you are above all of us. You know, we can see right through you. Guys, give me a lap for now. You know what cracked me up? Atheni Ramuse Piluya Suguma Uti Omega Nani wena baby Ronnie Sibanda. You are way too fast. I'm just like, I got a guy's double up abadala. I'm just like, why? Guys, there's no need for that. And he was just speaking properly. He's not even a fast guy who uRoni Sibanda. But hayi mancane. Hold on. You are too fast. Yeah, ngizwe ngime lapho guys, ithobe siqhubeke futhi later court yase-Pretoria, i-High Court, with these shenanigans nalamanga esiwahlalelayo all day every day. Listen, uyadelela u-advocate Sibanda. No, he's just plain rude. I've said it before and akakazi ukuzibamba, you know. And then manje ubusy uthethisa lo mntana abantu uZondo. For some reason I understand it come up. And that is why sometimes I'm just like, Selani. I'm sure you know that guy who is on Facebook. Like, why are you shouting at the guy? Hey, guys, it's wrong, eh?
Deni kantanzi ukuthi wazi ngokuboshwa kwakhe bazi nge-13 July 2020 okuphikisanayo naloku wena okushoyo.
Kusenkantolo ake ngibeke kanje. Mina ngizwe ngomndeni wakaDanzi ukuthi aziboshiwe kusenkantolo.
My lord, let me put it like this. I heard it from Danzi's family that Danzi had been arrested or was arrested.
So this assertion that the family learned about his arrest after the 13th of July 2020 is incorrect.
Manje ke inkulumo lena yokuthi umndeni wakhe bona ke bazokuthola emuva kwe-13 July 2020 ngokuboshwa kukaNtanzi ukuthi lokho akusilona iqiniso.
Angazi kusenkantolo bangisho nje ngithi ayikho angiyinake lesa sikhathi ngoba ngangisebenzela mina athola icall sibuye ekhaya ukuthi seboshwa uNtanzi.
I don't know.
Wathi angikhumbuli angafocusanga khona.
I don't know, my lord. There is nothing specific or in particular that I was focusing on, my lord. I was just working at that particular time. I then received a call from back home that Ntanzi had been arrested, my lord. As to when I was arrested, my lord, I don't know.
Thank you. Like I said, I will demonstrate to you, say that immediately after his arrest, you did try to contact Mr. Bongani Ntanzi.
Nanjengoba bese ngishilo ke kwena ke ukuthi ke ngizokuveza ke noma ngizokukhombisa ke lokhu ukuthi emuva nje kokuboshwa kwakhe wazama ke wena ukuthi uxhumane naye.
Enkosi kaTolo ngeke naqala ukuthi ifoni kaNtanzi eboshiwe yayi online.
I said this before, my lord, that Ntanzi's phone after him being arrested, my lord, that the phone was in use.
Mangifonela yangifaka voicemail kodwa online.
When I called it, my lord, it then put me on voicemail, yet it was in use, my lord. It was online.
No, I'm the one who's asking you questions, sir. Answer my questions. Like I said, there is evidence before this court, objective evidence from Vodacom, that shows or demonstrates that you did contact Mr. Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Nanjengoba ngisho ke kuwena ukuthi bukhona ke ubufakazi phambi kwayo lenkantolo ubufakazi ke obuya eVodacom ukuthi impela wazama ukuthi ke uxhumane naye uBongani Ntanzi.
And can you also confirm that the following number +27 82 390 6569 is your number?
Ungaqinisekisa ke ukuthi le number lena 082 390 6569 inumber yakho.
Kunjalo kusenkantolo.
That is indeed correct, my lord.
And it is a number that you were using at the time.
Futhi ke kuyinamba owawuyisebenzisa ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Namanje kusenkantolo.
I am still using it now, my lord.
Okay. Just to get a bit off. When you learned about the arrest of Mr. Bongani Ntanzi, were you together with Mr. Jack Buthelezi?
Ngesikhathi owathola ngaso noma owezwa ngaso uzwa ke ngokuboshwa kwakhe uBongani Ntanzi, ingabe wawundawonye yini no Jack Buthelezi?
Sahlala ndawonye kusenkantolo.
We were staying together, my lord.
Do you know what steps did Mr. Jack Buthelezi take?
Ingabe uyazi ukuthi ke wathatha noma yini eyenziwa uJack Buthelezi ke esekutholile noma esekuzwile lokho? Yini awayenza?
Enkosenkantolo ngoba ngithi ngibhizi emsebenzini engakuzwa ngaye ngathi wakwaye eyobona uNtanzi ngaze kuthi uzovela ecourt kuphi ngapha angisemsebenzini
my lord,
nasiqinisesa khona lokho.
What I heard from him, my lord, as I said that I was busy at work, is that he had went or he had gone to see Ntanzi. Ntanzi was about to appear in court, my lord, but I'm not certain about that.
And then from the date in which Bongani Ntanzi was arrested until today, did you have any telephonic contact with him?
Ukusuka ngawo amalanga la aboshwa ngawo uNtanzi uze kube namuhla engabe usuke waxhumana yini naye ke ngocingo uNtanzi?
Lutho kusenkantolo.
Nothing, my lord.
Did you?
I think this question is very clear because this witness said, on account of the fact that Mr. Ntanzi's question has always been online immediately after his arrest, he made endeavors to contact him, but he couldn't go through. So the question comes now. After Mr. Ntanzi's arrest, has he tried to contact him? That is basically the same question that this witness has answered, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Did you have any telephonic contact with Mr. Ntanzi from the 18th of June until the 5th of May 2026?
Ingabe usuka waxhumana yini noNtanzi ukusuka nge-18 zika June 2020 kuzoshaya i-5 zika May 2026?
Azingixhumana noNtanzi.
My lord, I've never been in contact with Ntanzi.
Did you receive a call from Mr. Bongani Ntanzi?
Ingabe wathola ucingo yini olubuya kuMnumzana uBongani Ntanzi?
Alukho Nkosi enkantolo.
None, my lord.